We're going to drive on some of the riskiest roads of all, the rural single carriageways. Of the 10 most dangerous roads in Britain, 7 are clustered in one area, Derbyshire and Cheshire. Chris has agreed to show me how one of these roads should be driven. Nice motor, Chris. I like it. So, Chris, this is reckoned to be one of the most dangerous roads in Britain, up there. Second, possibly now, the most dangerous road in Britain. So, tell me what I should be looking at.
The problem on a road like this for people is they don't use their speed sensibly. So the more vision we get, we may be able to increase the speed up towards the speed limit.
Whoa! Gives you an idea of the hazards, doesn't
it?
Whoa, there's some serious bends here.
As the road lengthens, then you can make a little progress if you feel it's safe. As the road gets shorter, which is what it does as we approach something, that's when we've got to consider easing back off the throttle.
So it's all about how far you can see?
Yes, it's about reading the road.
Casualties on A roads happen mainly in 3 ways. Crashes turning in and out of junctions, head-on collisions whilst overtaking, and coming off at bends and hitting objects such as trees. And bend accidents are particularly common on this road due to its popularity with a certain type of road user. On this road, the A5012, 78% of those killed and seriously injured are motorcyclists. 4 of the 10 most dangerous roads form part of a network of routes popular with bikers. The town of Matlock Bath is where they get together.
Biking's about adrenaline, it's about freedom, and it's about the naughty side of it.
0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds.
Less than 2 seconds?
Oh, yeah.
So that is way faster than, I don't know, a Porsche or a Lamborghini?
Oh, yeah, in the dust.
It's just the open roads and just being able to control the bikes and just throw them around corners and, you know, just the adrenaline, really.
We've got the ambulance going past, but the truth is that 78% of the deaths and serious injuries on this road are motorcyclists. So, I mean, what's that about?
Probably most people think they can ride fast and just push their luck a little bit too much sometimes.
The government is considering dropping the speed limit to 40 on many stretches of rural A roads. So what do the Matlock bikers think of that?
I don't think it's the people who are riding at 60 mile an hour that's causing the accidents. It's the people who's riding at double that on the same road and treating it like a racetrack. They're the people who are ruining it for us.
We'd be in first gear, just constantly in first gear.
And you probably wouldn't have any accidents.
Well, what we should do then is probably get rid of all bikes, and then we'll all drive around in cars
and also
with trackers. So we all, do you know what I mean?
I don't know whether you can say
It's a kind of freedom bit here.
Totally. Biking is about freedom. That's all it's about. That's the one word that biking is about, is freedom.
2/3 of motorcycle deaths happen on rural roads. Running off on bends is the most common type of accident. But for cars, overtaking on A roads can be more dangerous.